What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Out in the cornfield right now. I got here pretty early. Just south of here there's a huge mega feed and couldn't get permission on that. So we're sitting in the cornfield that most of the honkers are in, which I'd prefer. So they're just roosted right over here. So we'll see how it goes. Got a good wind, got a good hide, so. We got going for a hide. Oh my gosh. You ready? Yep, take him. Look at that little tar belly. Come on, man. Yeah, ready, boys? Yep. No!
Hey, watch this one right here.
That's what we like, that's better! Oh, I got a quill! What? That's an old... Oh, that's a nice penny. Yeah. How many do we shoot?
Come right over us to the right side. Yep.
Ready? Yep. Ready? Now! Every time. Yeah.
We're getting them. Watch.
Oh, yep. Hey, straight over top. Ready? Yep, take that. Nice shot, boys! Woo! That was awesome. Who's it? Yep, over top. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
That was awesome, Caden. Oh my god. Yep, now. Yep, now. Now. Right, everyone, come on. Simple, easy hide. Doesn't even look crazy. All the birds are roosted right out there.
Probably should. Was there ducks tornadoing over?
Well, just got done with the hunt. We're driving out right now. We had, I don't know, probably not even 100 honkers came to our field, and it was absolutely loaded last night. So as we're packing up, birds are just coming. So we packed up. Didn't want to wait for ducks or anything. The snows are all over here in this field. So we're just like, well, we'll pack up and maybe we might come out later in the week and hunt it because there's so many birds in this area. So yeah, it's really good hunt. We're gonna go take a cool picture here, so I'll probably take a video of that. But we kind of thought the ducks were gonna show up, but like, you know, it is what it is. At least we got our honkers, so that was super cool. So